Okay, so we're gonna make the Lego, and this is a little bit more difficult than the other ones that you've made so far. So you need to pay attention. We're gonna start our 2D sketch, like always, front, and click on the square. We're gonna make the Lego first. We're gonna make a rectangle. Okay, so once you have that there, we're gonna dimension it. The top is going to be 0.5. And the sides are going to be 0.25. And then you're going to finish sketch. Now you're going to extrude it to 0.25. 0.25. There is the brick for your Lego. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the pegs on the top. So this is the top. We're going to put pegs in there. So you got to left click, make your create sketch. Now I need to put 2 circles on the top. So I'm going to draw in 2 circles. And then you have to dimension them. So my circles are going to be 0.125. Nope, sorry, 0.1. My bad. And then this one needs to be 0.1, 0.1. All right, now they're obviously not in the right spot, so we have to put them where we want them. So I'm going to dimension them. I'm going to go to the point and the side and then back in. I'm going to make that 0.125. And then from the middle to the edge and then back again is 0.125. Same thing on this side. Green point, the edge and back, 0.125. And then from the point to the edge, 0.125. Okay. Now I'm going to finish sketch and extrude. I'm going to click on both circles and it needs to be 0.05. Now, putting the Legos pegs in the right spot is super important because when we go to build with the Lego and it's not in the right spot, you're not going to be able to do it. Okay? So now that we have our Legos built on top, we're going to go to the bottom and I'm going to put my holes in. So I'm going to left click and create sketch. And I'm going to put 2 points in the bottom. Okay, so we're going to put 2 points in the bottom. They're going to line up where the other pegs are on the top. So we're going to put 2 points in and then we're going to dimension them. They're going to be dimensioned exactly the same as we dimension the circles. So 0.125. And 0.125. Okay. Once you have your points in and your finished sketch, and we're going to put our holes in. Now our holes need to be 0.1. Okay, so make sure distance is followed, and then this is going to be 0.1 and 0.05. So 0.05 is the distance down into the peg. 0.1 is going to be the diameter, which is going to be the same as the peg itself on the top. And then we want a flat drill point and then hit OK. So these two should match up with the pegs on the top. So what I need you to do here, we're going to have two different color Legos. You don't have to make it twice. You're just going to color it two different colors. So first thing we're going to do is change the color however you want, whichever colors you want. Um, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to go to I'm going to save as, and I'm going to make that a blue Lego. Okay. Now, I'm not going to change the Lego, I'm just going to change the color. And I'm going to do a different color. And then I'm going to go to the again, save as, and I'm going to say off-white Lego. So I have two different Legos in my documents. And then go ahead and upload those to Google Classroom. That's the first part of the Lego build.